Summer has arrived, so let's refresh ourselves with a delicious and super fresh potato and bell pepper salad. It's beautiful to look at, but most importantly, it's tasty to eat with lots of fresh and healthy ingredients. The first thing to do is to boil the potatoes and of course let them cool down completely. Actually, let me give you a tip. If you can, try boiling them in the morning for the evening or in the evening for the next day. You put them in the fridge and let them firm up well. This way you can also cut them perfectly. That said, let's start the preparation by peeling the potatoes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into chunks. First in half and then again. We make cubes, but of course you can make them however you prefer, bigger or smaller. This is the right portion, the right size, and we put them in a bowl. And here we go. Now we can add all the ingredients we like the most, so we can tailor it to our taste. Today I thought of adding to the sbucciamo roasted peppers. So first I placed them on a baking tray, baked them, and then let them cool down. I peeled them carefully and I peeled them carefully, and this was brought by the sbucier. Now let's take the pepper section, and with a knife we cut it into strips or squares, basically however we prefer. Let's do it this way. And here we go, let's add it to the potatoes. I'll continue with the other peppers. Then of course you decide the amount, a little more or a little less. Let's add some datterini tomatoes. Look how fresh and cute they are. These add freshness and flavor to our salad. We cut them in half and add them to our salad. A handful of desalted capers, seasoned black olives. Green olives, they're so good. And for those who like it, a few anchovy fillets in oil. And now I'll make a vinaigrette with some extra virgin olive oil and a splash of apple cider vinegar. A pinch of salt, just a little, and a bit of pepper. And if you like, you can also use a pinch of chili pepper. Let's whisk it all together. Of course, for those who don't like vinegar, you can replace it with lemon. This is always a matter of personal taste. I pour in the emulsion over the salad. And this beautiful salad can't be without the scent of basil. Yes, because basil means summer, and there's nothing more wonderful. I really love it. Anyway, you can obviously replace it with some fresh parsley, that's perfectly fine, or with whatever aromatic herbs you like best. Once you've done this, let's give it a stir then. You can also add some fish to this beautiful salad, like cod for example. A nice boiled cod goes really well, or you could add some tuna. Why not? That way we'll have a complete meal. But instead, I'm going to add some cheese cut into small pieces, because I really love cheese. Here we go. Obviously the cheese I like the most. You can use provolone, provola, mozzarella, basically whatever you prefer. Here we go. I'll eat this one, thank you. Friends, I was making a very serious mistake. Yes, because I had forgotten and set aside the delicious onion rings. In fact, I realized that something was missing, and now let's take a look at them right away. And here they are, aren't they cute? For those who don't like onion, just leave it out, okay? But the salad goes really well with it. And here it is, now it's complete. And so let's prepare our dish. Just a moment. Friends, here's our super fresh potato and pepper salad, ready to be enjoyed. And in fact, I'm going to enjoy it. How delicious. And with this super fresh bite, I say goodbye, and I'll see you next time. A kiss to everyone.